Thank you for joining us here on click2houston.com. It's the last full day of summer and it feels like summer outside. We had a relatively nice morning, but this afternoon temperatures above average for this time of year will actually be in the mid-90s. We do have an air quality alert posted for today. So if you have upper respiratory issues, if you have asthma, it's a great idea to stay indoors this afternoon just because the higher levels of ozone. Now in the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Lisa and Tropical Depression Karl. Now Karl is still expected to strengthen while Lisa will stay a tropical storm but hook up to the north, so Lisa is not a threat to land. Now Tropical Storm Karl, or what will yet again become Tropical Storm Karl, is still worth watching, especially on Saturday. We're expecting it to be very close to Bermuda. The track continues to move off to the east, which is great news for Bermuda. But if you have family in the area, if you're traveling, definitely keep a close eye on the forecast. Now back here at home, we have dry air settling in, a ridge of high pressure sitting pretty much right on top of us, and that is producing the hot conditions for today. Lots of sunshine out there, and of course creating the bad pollution that's being trapped at the surface. That's why we have that air quality alert in effect for today. Now this area of high pressure is going to move off to the east over the next few days. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday, that's when the rain showers are back in the forecast. It's not going to be a washout, but we'll have afternoon storms every single day pushing through the weekend into next week. And in fact, next week we have a cold front dropping out of the plain states. And the big question is the front actually going to push through? There's cooler and drier air behind it, but if the front doesn't make it all the way down to the coast, we can't tap into it. So there's a little uncertainty towards the end of the 10-day because we don't really know how this front is going to play out just yet. So something to look forward to. I'm going to highlight a chance of having the humidity drop towards the end of that 10-day forecast, but please keep in mind that that all depends on the cold front. Now for today, Wednesday, it is going to be hot, mid-90s. We'll throw in a chance of an isolated shower tomorrow. Fall does begin at 9:21 in the morning. We're going up to 94. So again, above average temperatures as we close out the work week. The showers this weekend will help bring our temperatures back to the upper 80s, which is where they should be for this time of year. And then as we get into next week, does the cold front move through? If it does, that would bring us some more comfortable conditions with some lower humidity.